Golf tips and tricks you can use. So you want to try your hand at golf? Do you know anything about the sport? Do you know about all of the different kinds of clubs that you can use? Do you know what entails a great golf swing? If these questions raise more questions than you can answer, try looking at the tips below. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be quiet when other players are hitting the ball. Loud noises can ruin their concentration and cause them to hit the ball incorrectly. Golf is meant to be a quiet sport that you excel at when you have your full concentration. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to remember to tip your caddy if you are playing at a course that provides one. This is important because they are waiting on you much like a waiter and may only receive minimal hourly pay from the course manager. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you bring enough balls with you if you are not a great golfer. It can be very easy to lose balls in the woods or water. Having a good stock of golf balls will ensure that you can keep moving and not hold up the players behind you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is that if you are trying to keep your shots from arching too high, you want to make sure that your follow-through swing ends up with your hands close to your body. This will give you more distance and a more predictable shot. Do you now understand what makes golf? Do you know about clubs and how to use them? Do you now know what it takes to make a great golf swing? If you have an idea of how to answer these questions now, then you have read and understood what it takes to become a better golfer. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.